Welcome to 30 minutes before we're supposed to open. It's Saturday morning, April the 24th, 2021. Out here in Vidalia, Georgia, at the beautiful Vidalia Onion Festival. Arts and crafts section. Yeah, I'm inside my booth right now. And we got rain. Lots and lots of rain. So I sell the paper. Paper and rain don't mix. Nothing sadder than a Saturday Arts and Crafts Festival ready to open and it's getting rained on. But it happens. It all comes to the territory. It's a little bit after 9 on Sunday morning now. We lost all of Saturday to the rain. But hey, it's supposed to be pretty today. One nice thing they do on Sunday morning, they have light breakfast for the vendors and even a little worship service and sermonette out here from 9 to 10, and then the festival opens up at 10 o'clock. Awesome.
And sausage biscuits, bacon biscuits. Okay.
Sausage or bacon?
Coffee and juice.
Oh, this is a light breakfast? Feels pretty heavy to me.
No, I can't be over when it comes to my feet. At last, I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange someday for a crown. He says, I fast twice a week and I give tithes of all that I get. But the tax collector, standing far off, would not even lift his eyes to heaven, but he beat his breast, saying, God, be merciful to me, a sinner. And Jesus says, I tell you, this man went down to his house justified rather than the other.
Just restocking all my art protectors and mats. Hey there. We open in about 10 minutes. Walking to my booth now. There is kind of this air of anticipation, or I should say anticipation, out here today. Not as many vendors this year, of course. Situations being as they are. I guess that means just more money for the vendors that did come. At least that's the way I'm going to look at it. A little bit after 10 now. Completely open. Once again. A little thin on the video of this festival, so why not take some time lapse of the drawings? That's always fun to lace into a weekend festival vlog, right? Yum Yum, are you getting your drilling done, Yum Yum? Really? Oh, wow. Okay. There we go. All right, well, this one's done.
Is this your plant right
There you go.
This is that's great. Oh my god.
It's somebody named Wanda.
Okay, I think she's look at this. Are you Wanda?
Okay, it is done. Let's see what the reaction is.
Oh wow, that is great. Come on in, Union.
Like
That
that.
is wonderful.
All right. A little bit after 6 now. They're right there walking away. That was the last family I drew. And I don't know how much I got on the time lapse. I'll put up what I can, but I kept getting errors on the phone. This new phone is not working out. It does have a time lapse mode, but I kept getting can't read errors. Anyway, yeah, so most everything has already disappeared. Pine Grove is going away quickly. Let's see if I can maybe find something to eat. The food vendors are still out here, packing up quickly. Really wanted to try that onion cobbler. Well, check the only 2 food vendors that weren't completely packed up, and they are indeed sold out. This one said it. Maybe I got a few pork skins left. Wasn't able to do the onion cobbler this year. Disappointing. Danny, he gets to lick the bowl. This is a bowl of microwave macaroni and cheese. And then Lo just handed it to him, and he kind of put it in his mouth and slowly lowered it to the floor. Like, oh yeah, this is my thing. I get to lick the bowl. Okay, it's like, I'm done now. I'm done. It's just oh man, you're so adorable. Look at that. And I bet it's all cleaned out. Is it all clean? So he's gonna go back in. Oh, now he's gonna chew up the bowl.
Drop it.
No. You want me to pull it away from him?
Yeah, drop it. That's not a toy. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's wow. That is spotless.
Clean it. You got
He
it all.
cleaned it out.
No more.
No more.
Drop it.
Leave it.
You got it all. It's gone.
Montana is she's a home, so like you really gotta you don't want to get in between ham and cheese.
Yeah.
Not cute.
Leftovers from the crew meal from this past weekend.
Yeah.
Well, guys, it's now about 6 o'clock on Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021, and I now have on the uniform for Wade's Ride Company. The monkey suit, ID, hat, all the things that I hate. But I'm out here at the Tampa Fair, also known as the Florida State Fair, and the money is here. The sun is shining. I'm also here with the great Susan. Susan,
Hi.
have I ever collected a story from you?
No.
Would you like to do that at some point?
Yeah, I would love to.
Okay, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. We'll have to get a story from Susan.
I'll be calling me.
Yeah. Yesterday was $2 Tuesday, and I had a miserable time. I was actually thinking about leaving. It was so bad. It was Susan had that day off. Look at you.
I did.
It was a miserable day. I had 2 rejections yesterday, and one I made it look like them, but it was not flattering in the least.
In the garbage.
It's in the garbage anyway.
Oh my God.
But then I kind of figured people out here were picky, so I started doing really cute with no exaggerations at all. I did a 3-person, this one here, all the cuteness I could muster. I don't like it. Wasted my time. Watered up. But that, I think, was just an exception. That was a $2 Tuesday thing. Anyway, that's going to have to be it for this one. Yeah, so you guys saw the Vidalian Onion Festival. I didn't really get any video of traveling here to Tampa, but I made it safe. I'm here working now. Come out and see me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Oh yeah, I have to also say, please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and talk to you down in the comments.